We haven't got the car yet. We've got a bus. You want a bus?
Thank you very much.
The girls are about to go to school. Bye.
Bye to our new family. Bye, Dad.
And what's today?
Oh, Father's Day store, which Dad is the father of us. So then yeah, we got told him to not get involved.
Bye.
Bye.
Love yous. Bye.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, girls.
Bye, Dad.
Have a good day at school. Good morning, Tanania family. Feeling better today. Off to work. And so I should feel better because I get my car today. My family got an awesome, oh well, it's been in scheduled, but it's just in time for Father's Day. And yeah, we'll reveal the car when we pick it up this afternoon from Perth. All right, guys, have a lovely day. I'm smiling from this side to this side because I get a new car today. All right, guys, see you later. Morning, Hannah.
Morning.
Morning.
Hi, Dream.
Hello.
Hey. So this is my beautiful friend Nancy, and we are going quite dramatic. Can't wait for the transformation. So she's pretty shoulder length. We're going something very short. It's going to be a surprise. So wait for it. Hey, G. It's kite time with me. Of Nancy's transformation. So she was quite long. She had quite long hair, well, shoulder length hair. She ended up cutting it off to the pixie cut that you've just seen. We've also taken it to the magenta. So like, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to book in with Bees for a big transformation as well, we'll put the links down below. To show you the end of Bee's cut that she did, the short cut to the long, and we've taken it red. We're about to do the reveal now to show you the rest of it. Here we go! Look at that! Well done, Bees! Beautiful. Look at her, young and fresh. She's so excited. Very trendy, baby. Yes! Ready for hubby to take you out for that dinner tonight? Birthday party, yeah? Yes, girl. Love. Come on, T. Give us one.
Got all camera shy now. Quite a bit higher for you, but we've gone for that caramel tone in the middle to cover the copper that we did throw back. So now we can just work on pulling it up further.
That is amazing.
Yeah, I'll show her the back.
Hey.
Show her the back now.
Beautiful hair, eh?
We are off to give my car. So excited.
On your left.
Guys, we're almost there. There it is. Easy Auto. So if you're looking for a new car, come and support these guys down in Perth. Easy Auto 123. It's our sister-in-law Tracy. Hi Trace. Hi. We're here to pick up our new toy. Yeah. Come down and see Tracy at Easy Auto 123 in Perth. Okay?
He's Canning Vale.
In Canning Vale, not Joondalup. Canning Vale. Look at these guys. There's so many cars here. And we even get coffee. Have you been watching our vlogs? So we're about to go sign papers with coffee. We're so excited. Look at these cars going. Look at that. This is my new car. Just this is the new car? This one? Or is it that one? That one. That's the new car. Look at that guy. That's next to you. Signing the papers. This is Renee. Hi Renee, she's one of our clients and family friend. No, you can't come and get a deal from Renee.
The insurance is direct debit as well.
Yeah. Sapphire ringing me to see the car, but I haven't got the car yet. Yes. We haven't got the car yet. We've got a bus. You want a bus?
Thank you very much. See ya.
Alright.
Quickly do the insurance.
I love you. Bye. Bye. Here's the new car, guys. Damn! This the new car, people.
It's gorgeous.
Woo! Yes! Look at that, guys. It's the car. Look at it. The new ride. My wife and kids just got us a new ride for me for Father's Day. Look at it, the Jeep. Damn! It's beautiful, Trey. Look inside. Whoa! Yes, everything's black.
It's got onyx, but because
oh!
So you got to split them. So I did an X and an O for a kiss and a hug, and then an NY for New York. 6 months, she does.
What, guys? Look at this! Holy shit! So, just want to shout out to Tracy. Thank you very much, and the team at Easy Auto 123. Thank you for your hard work, guys. Cheers! Like it, Vince.
I love
it's
it.
Beautiful.
Isn't it just?
Wow.
I'm locking the money off. It should be just confusing it.
We get that fresh glaze on the D-roll. Pulling up, smoking haze through the back door. We get that fresh glaze on the D-roll.
Hey, sauce to the Tinania family! Let's go! Now Brenda's driving! Whee! How exciting!
Bye, Trace!
Thank you, Tracy! Bye! Yeah, this is our new car, guys!
dudes driving his car.
Nice Father's Day present. Babe, you gotta have that on. So we've got seat warmers and it's warming up the seats. Can you feel it?
Not yet.
It's warming my back down here. Wow. Okay, so all right, we're home now, and we're gonna girls are gonna come out.
Oh my gosh!
You like it? I can't see them, they're black. Leave them in the car. Hold on, let me take the stuff out. Is Nanny coming out to see the car? It's on, Mum.
Hello. Oh.
Nice, eh? The Nanny. Yeah, he's going for a ride.
So guys, we got a car for Dad's present for Father's Day.
Yay! Hello for Tinania family. Yes, today's vlog was about our new car. Just got home. Had an awesome day today at work, and then it was in the making, and the girls and bees, thank you very much. I love you guys. Appreciate the Father's Day present. Just want to thank my family, Brenda, Miss Bees, and Diamond and Sapphire. Alofa, thank you very much for looking after Daddy on Father's Day, and for giving me a great present, even though all I need is the love for Father's Day. But thank you for an awesome present. Overwhelming. But I also want to shout out to sister-in-law Tracy at Easy Auto 123. I'll link her description down below. If you're in Perth, in Cannington, or where in Perth, go and see her and her team work amazing. From giving us the car, the service that they gave us. C'est l'opposing the service. You guys have a good one. Tomorrow, tune in. Tomorrow, because we've got an awesome surprise. We're talking about our subscribers. The number of subscribers that we got up to. We've got something to celebrate. There's going to be a cake. I'm not going to talk anymore because it's a surprise. Alright guys, to all our new subscribers, alofa, thank you very much for tuning into us. We do daily vlogs about what we love, what we're doing throughout the day. So obviously you guys are loving the content. If there's anything else that you want us to do, challenges, any other videos on anything that you want us to do, comment down below. But also, don't forget, on Tuesday we are going to film, and I promise you, we are going to film our Q&A. Now Q&A was scheduled for this Tuesday, but we're leaving it for next Tuesday. So everyone is still rolling in your questions from all over the world, and we're very overwhelmed, but very thankful. And any other questions from now till Tuesday, please keep them coming, and we will do our Q&A on the Tuesday next week. Again, thank you to the new subscribers taking your time out to watch our channel. Hope you enjoy it. Alofaku. There's 3 things we would like you to do. That's like, subscribe, and share. Bye to all your family.